Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the screen recording functionality in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys. SciTech Guru will be posting a lot of interesting and comparison videos, tips and tricks and other things. And do check the links in the description for the playlist which contain in detail reviews about the Redmi Note 8 Pro and other smartphones, whatever I've reviewed in my channel. So first let me show you what variant I'm using in this video. As you can see here, Redmi Note 8 Pro 6GB and 64GB variant, so which has the Helio G90T processor. So to access the screen recording settings, just you need to open the application screen recorder, so which is available in the default in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So in the first you need to select the resolution at what you can record. The biggest advantage with the Redmi Note 8 Pro is that you can record with a 1080p resolution. So unlike the Realme X and Honor 9X device where the resolution is restricted to only the 720p, not to the 1080p screen recording, so which is a very biggest advantage guys when compared with the Honor 9X device and the Realme X device. So recently even I uploaded the screen recording of the Honor 9X device as well. So if you are not watched that video, I'll suggest you to watch the video. So this is a one advantage for the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And next is a video quality. You can set maximum to the 4 Mbps, and orientation is set to the landscape. And a sound source, here I selected the system sounds. So if you're using the system sounds, if you're playing the PUBG game, if you're talking in the game, your voice will not be recorded. All the players in your game voice will be recorded, not your voice. So if you're using the mic, then your voice will be recorded, not the game voice. So if you want to record both the game voice and your voice, then you need to play the game with a loudspeaker, not with the earphones plugged in. This is a only solution for that. But for this, in this moment, I'll be playing with the system sounds, and again I'll be playing with the mic. So there you can understand the difference between two screen recorders. So you'll get a clear idea at what settings the screen recording is done in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So as you can see guys, right now I'm playing with the smooth and extreme graphics settings here. So in the smooth and extreme graphics settings, you will get FPS around the 60 FPS, as you can see on the top here. Let me try to focus here. As you can see, a 60 FPS. So which is very good thing guys while playing the game in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So you won't feel any lag while playing the game in this device. So now I'll be recording the screen recording in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let me start the screen recording. So you can access the screen recording directly from when you swipe from left to right in the Redmi Note 8 Pro on the top right corner. So you'll get this kind of option. So here you need to tap on the recorder, and it automatically starts the video recording. As you can see here, the time in the background. So if you want, you can move the small area wherever you want. So right now I'll be playing the game for about 10 minutes, and we'll get to know for 10 minutes how much is the video size if you're using the max settings. So I just want to calculate guys for 1 hour how much size it takes to for the game to record. So again I'll be uploading a small video clip of this video recording as well. So again I'll be back after testing the game using these settings. Right now I'm using the system sound, not with the mic sound.
Team match, let's go.
So now I'll be changing the settings to the internal audio. Let me show you guys. So right now I'm choosing the internal mic audio, as you can see here. So now I'll be playing the PUBG game by connecting the earphones by enabling the mic here. So now we'll get to know what audio is recording. Only my voice or the game voice. So again I'll be so now I am recording with the internal audio mic, the screen recording, as you can see here. So I'll record for 1 minute of this video clip of this screen recording, and then I'll switch to the loudspeaker. So then you'll get a clear idea what's the difference. So now I'm using the loudspeaker right now. And I started the recording. So later we'll get to know how is the audio quality and everything.
Cover me.
Half of the match is over, and the blue team is in the lead.
So as you can see here friends, last 3 videos just now I recorded while playing the PUBG game. So first let me open the 10 minutes video clip. So we'll get to know how much is the size of the video clip. So I'll show you the properties of the video. As you can see, so 1080p resolution, it got recorded successfully, and the frame rate is at 30 frame rates. And let me show you the size it has. So 327 MB. So for 10 minutes of video clip, the size is around 320 we can consider. So by keeping this size in mind, for 1 hour it takes the size about 2 GB of video clip size if you record the any gameplay in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is the overall size for 1 hour. So now let me show you about the internal audio. So this is a 10-minute video clip which I recorded with the internal audio. So during this time, even if you're talking, the audio won't be recorded, only the game sound will be recorded. And the next video, I have used the internal mic as my recording. So you'll get this kind of error message, microphone is busy and cannot record sound now, as you can see here guys. So even right now you can see on the top here I was talking continuously, but still the audio is not recorded. So let me increase the volume, as you can see here. So no matter even if you're using the loudspeaker or not, still the internal audio is not recorded guys while playing the game while you are talking. So only the gameplay sound is recorded, not your voice. Because of this error message, microphone is busy, as you can see here. So this is the overall screen recording and functionality in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this will be the biggest drawback for the Redmi Note 8 Pro guys. And the good thing is that this can record a 1080p resolution, but the disadvantage is that the internal audio of your voice will not be recorded in this Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is what I found out in this test. So I hope you like this video guys. Subscribe to my channel for more and interesting videos similarly like this. The same kind of test I'll be doing even in the Honor 9X as well. So stay tuned guys for that. Until then, stay tuned to my channel guys. See you in the next video. Bye.